All right, what's up, Shadow Twerkers? It's Kylie Simone.
And Ayana Maria.
And we are back with another video. So this video, well, a weekly message video. So this weekly message is going to be for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, the best sign ever. You already know who it is. Gang, gang in this thing.
Sometimes.
Gang, gang in this thing. Okay.
Alright, sometimes.
All right. So, these are going to be our weekly messages for January 16th to February 1st.
Yeah, give us some spirit, please.
So low key, we lucky, okay, because earlier, the energy was like, yeah. So sorry, but not sorry for the wait.
Messages for our wonderful Aquarius.
Okay, let's go. What the hell is this? Okay, all
That's
right, no. Okay, it's in reverse.
Relax.
All right. 5 of Cups reverse.
Started to memorize these Jones without looking up this title. What is this? I know what this is.
The
It's
King
Prince
of Wands.
The King of Wands. Ah!
Ha. All right. Prince of Swords.
Yep. I knew that. Ace of Wands.
Girl.
Come on! Like...
High Priestess.
4 of Swords.
Okay. The 2 of Swords.
The 10 of Pentacles.
Girl. Ooh. What? Yes. That good energy. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm really happy to see the High Priestess in the center of the reading. I'm really happy.
The 10 of Pentacles and 3 of Pentacles.
Yes. Okay. So the money is here.
It ain't about the money.
The money is here. So that makes me happy. Okay, so let's get into this. So I feel like, all right, whatever it is, we ain't crying no more.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, nah, fuck that. I feel like with the King of Wands, we're taking more action. I feel like we're listening to our intuition. Or Aqua. Okay, let me take myself out of it. Let me take myself out of it.
Oh, God.
Aqua. Aqua, excuse me, I'm excited. I'm really happy right now. Like a miracle just happened. But yeah, so I feel like you are listening to your intuition. I feel like you're standing more in your power. You're taking more actions. You're letting go of this defensive kind of stance and like petty communication. Well, no, the Prince, what is the Prince? Because the Page is more about communication, right?
Yeah.
I keep forgetting about this guy because every time I see him, I just think of somebody defending somebody.
Same. I do too. Because this nigga, just look at him.
Yeah, he don't look like he done been through it. Okay, here we go. He is, I live by my ideals. Okay. So in reverse, slow down, keep sight of what is real, feeling trapped and burnt out. Ooh, okay. Okay, so...
Past energy?
I was about to say, that's definitely a past energy.
Oh, yeah.
Because I feel like...
And then, like...
Go ahead.
I mean, I'm trying not to make it too personal. Because,
yeah,
you know,
me too.
But, like, I feel like you were in King of Wands actions, like King of Wands energy, like, action, like, I'm doing anything.
I was about to say,
like,
doing too much.
Anything that I can do. I don't know what the fuck I'm really supposed to do, but I'm
gonna do something.
Something can happen.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah, I agree.
And then...
I feel like we were doing too much.
Yeah.
And then there was a need to slow down. There was a need to release, some shit that didn't work. Matter of fact, let me look that one up too. Because I feel like I'd be confusing the 4 of Cups and the 5 of Cups because I feel like they're really similar.
Mm-hmm.
So the 5 of Cups is, I am inconsolable.
Oh my God.
So in reversed, move forward.
I'll take that back.
Oh, I am not inconsolable. But that's what the book says. Okay. But it says, what is it? Reversed, right?
Right.
Okay, reversed. Move forward from what was lost. Use grief as a force for good. Feelings of deep compassion and empathy. So yeah, I feel like that's a good thing. I feel like Aquarians are channeling that into their work. With these pentacles coming out. I feel like, or there's a need to, or being more decisive on what gets channeled into your work.
Right, because you can't just be doing anything. You gotta have a plan, and everything you do has to be a step in that plan. You can't just be doing random action without a goal, at least to nowhere.
Yeah, and I also feel like because we're a thinking sign, I feel like I don't really see no swords except for this guy. But, oh, well, yeah, but, yeah. Okay, never mind. I take that back. But I feel like there's a need to really, in channeling stuff into your work, I feel like there's a need to really kind of decipher what you say. Like, even with the 5 of Cups, the I am inconsolable, even though I'm not. Being careful what we speak into our reality, Aquas, I feel like that goes with whatever you work on too. So like if you're working on a project that you don't really believe in, you're channeling and you're feeding that energy of something that you might not like. You know what I'm saying? So then you're going to see more of that in your life. Mm-hmm. So for example, I don't know who this is for. I hope it's for nobody because I really hope everybody likes this. But let's say you're working on a lingerie project.
Oh my God.
Right? So, like, you're working on this project, but you don't like lingerie. So what you're doing is you're working on this project and you're giving all your energy into something that you don't even like or believe in. Mm-hmm. But in working on it with whoever, you know what I'm saying, you're bringing more of that energy into your life. So you're bringing more of lingerie, more of models and shit, like more of the shit you don't like is what I'm trying to say. Mm-hmm. So I feel like there's a need to really kind of filter out what you like and what you don't like in the things that you work on. And I feel like you do that by using your intuition. Like, you don't have to work on everything. And that's okay. And I feel like that's where this comes into, like, the need to slow down. Like, we don't have to put our energy into everything, even though we can, because, Aquarians be workaholics. Like, we be doing a lot of shit. We want to put our hands in everything, but I feel like there's a need to pull back your energy. And I feel like focus more on your intuition, focus more on your meditation and the projects that actually bring you joy. Mm-hmm. Like all the joy that you could ever really want. Oh, what's up? Welcome to life. But yeah, that's what I think. What you think?
Okay.
What you think?
All right.
Oh, go ahead. Oh. Hurry up.
Okay, goddamn. I ain't Aquarius, girl. I'm an action-oriented sign.
Oh my! But you taking a long time. Right now.
'Cause I'm thinking, girl.
But
you just elongated it. You see, you pressing me. Now it's taking me longer.
But
anyway, I think you're definitely operating in High Priestess energy because she's in the center.
Thank
all
you.
Of her.
Thank you.
I was the camera was on me opposing, on High Priestess energy. I felt like this is past energy, like we said earlier, mm-hmm. and just kind of acting without a plan or a thought, just acting because you feel like you should be,
doing something.
Actions. Yeah, doing something. And I can't remember what this card. What was this one?
I live by my ideals.
But it's in reverse, so.
So there was a need to slow down.
Oh yeah. Okay. Well, pretty much. Well, yeah. So pretty much that kind of goes together.
Yeah.
And pretty much like just leaving sadness and letting shit go and releasing. And in doing that, guess what? We move to this row. You know what I'm saying? Where the High Priestess is. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. And I feel like you definitely reach that through your meditation and imagining what you want.
And slowing down and being present and mm-hmm. being focused on, again, what it is that you want.
Right. And making more actions that have purpose.
Right. Like, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And then I feel like you're making more decisions, or you've decided on what your 10 of Pentacles is and how you're going to get it.
Right.
Like how you're going to work with people or work without people, or you know what I'm saying? Like you have your plan on how you're going to get to your 10 of Pentacles.
Right.
And you're following your intuition to get there. So at the bottom of the deck, we have Death. Beautiful. There's a transformation happening. The Prince of Pentacles in reverse, the title card. I'm going to go one more card because of the title card. And then the Strength reverse. So I feel like the Strength reverse is just kind of going back to the High Priestess. Like using your inner strength, your inner intuition, and courage and shit to be yourself. Move past whatever stagnant energies there are about money now, I feel like. Or in the future, if you come across this energy, or if you've had it in the past, boom, whatever is stagnating your money. And then, yeah, death and transformation. So I feel like all of that's transmuting itself into positive aspects. But I feel like it was definitely a battle to get here. Or to get there, wherever you are. Like, if you here, you know what you got to do. You got to slow down. If you here, meditate, follow your intuition, slow down again, like, be more decisive on what actions you take. And then if you here, relish in your abundance. Like, really focus on and stay focused on your projects and stuff that you're building. Because, of course, you're an Aqua. They're going to be legendary. And then make sure to balance your head and heart. I love that in that card. The head and heart. And so we're going to pull some oracle.
Prosperity lies ahead.
Oh, beautiful!
10 of Pentacles.
Thank you.
Taurus energy.
Thank you. Thank you.
And also, at this time, we are offering personal readings, fellow Aquas and Cross Watchers. So if you would like to get some clarity on a specific situation, event, or person, place, or thing in your life, we got info on how to start that process. To reach out to us in the description box below.
Yeah, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid.
We're nice. We want the best for you.
Let me get this one. Hold your vision. I always pull that freaking card. Like, when I do my personal readings, I always pull that card. It started to get on my nerves.
Fixed energy.
But, yeah, so that is what we have for you, Aqua. If you've enjoyed this reading, please make sure to like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any more, videos, and hit that notification bell. Boom. All right. As Yanni said, we're offering personal readings. Boom. Okay, and check out our Patreon for all our behind-the-scenes stuff. So that is what we have for you, Aqua. And until next time, you are truly legendary, and we love you. And we will see you later.
Later.